Here is Applications Guide. Today's video is about how to make intro by Pixelflow app. First we should choose our template. After choosing we can edit it. Here you can type your channel name or any text you want. Then you can change the text size and place. After that, if you want to change the background, here you have multiple choices. And the last thing, you can add music to your intro. After making your final preview, it's time to export, and this app gives you exporting up to 1080p for free. In this app also you can make your own intro from the beginning. First choose your text style. Then choose the background and you can change its color. And last thing is to add music. Then export. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.